Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Before going to the Thursday's prediction, I will like to review the Wednesday's closing. Nifty ended up in the positive 17,008, 13.60, 44.35 points in the positive, and we have low 17,711.20 and high is around 17,827.75. Why today Nifty was not able to fall down further? Because of we have the target in hand, the negatives at 17,640, 680% at target. Nifty was opened in the negative as well. But the point is that Nifty was in the volatile zone, so that we need to go with the hedging method because pre-opening was in the range of 17,767, so which was in the flattish kind of thing, which was clearly inside the volatile range. So whenever the volatile range means we need to go with the hedging method, and the lower side, which is 17,711.20, which is exactly matching in our data as per our rule for the buying, which is minus 10 point for the stop loss and plus 3 point is the perfect range. So perfect range, and so it is exactly matching. There is not much difference. So the low is perfectly matched in between the rule, and for the this is for buying, and for the selling rule is exactly the opposite way, minus 3 point perfect range and plus 10 point stop loss range. If any level, any given level, any level, the same rule will be applicable. If you see those kind of perfectly matching, then you can keep stop loss that particular level and go for a buy. Sometimes it will go multiple times breaking that level. According to that, the data will be there. For example, evenly poised day, so which means 33.33% chances are there all three directions. So those days it will break multiple times because Nifty has full freedom on those kind of days. But what we had on Wednesday, we had around two volatile indicators. So two volatile indicators clearly showing Nifty will have the volatile. So Nifty fall down on the negatives and started to recover towards the bullish. So that is what happened. And the perfectly matched indicators which shown that it will recover strongly. So whoever saw this initially at this level, if would have kept this particular stop loss minus 10 points and then go for a buy, means it has gone towards to the 17,826 in the positive. That is what our mm, data also shown in the flat finish level, which is 17,814 to 17,826, and the closing number was little bit lower from that particular level. And one more interesting point is also happened. And these kind of targets will get opened if you join in our group. You will come to know these things because in our group we have given the target for 17,826. I new target has opened around 12:47 itself. We have updated in our group. So that kind of advantage you will have if you joined in our group. 12:47 p.m. itself we have updated that target 17,826.11. So you have this kind of advantage if you join in our group, and that particular target has closed. Uh, this particular target 17,826, it has closed later on the after 325 only. So it has took some time, but it was not huge number, but still it has slowly gone towards the bullish, and hit the target. So you can make some money as well. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday. Thursday we have one bullish warning signal and two bearish indicators with two volatile. So we familiar with this particular rule because it is a bullish or bearish warning signal. If we have one, which means it is going to be a fake trend. So it is bullish. So the trend will be fake. Up will go initially, and straight away it will fall down heavily 80% of the time. So the first rule is if you see whenever the one bullish warning signal means you need to buy on raise method one put option as a hero zero because put options why we are asking to hero zero sometimes it will stay in the flat once again recover towards to positive side and the 20% of the time. So better you go for a put option hero zero. And we have two volatile as well. So the volatile means it might not fall down heavily, it might sometimes recover as well. So that is the reason we specifically going for a hero zero because the basic rule 80% of the time from the level it will go up fakely and started to fall down heavily. That is what the bullish. If it is one bearish means it will fall down fake and then recover. So this method we need to remember. So we need to go for a one put option as a hero zero. So buy on raise method or even once the market opens itself, you can go for a put option as well. Why? Because in our past records, we had one particular data for the last three months. It has opened in the negative pre-opening. From that pre-opening, it has went down around 120 points. From the previous closing, it went down around 155 points. So which means it is clearly going to fall down from the pre-opening level around minimum 120. That is what it shows in the past record. But we had only one record because this particular day we don't have much. But I'm still updating. It will take some time to update all the data. So once we updated all the data, it will give you both beautiful results. So the closing is also in the negatives. That is what it shows that. So one put option hero zero is advisable as per this particular data is shown. So we need to go for a put option as well. And the pending target post is target which was closed as well. So this particular 18,000, sorry 17,810 was closed. So we have weekly these two target focusing, but the numbers will differ because of the closing. So the numbers which shows that 215 to 265 points potential to go down. So watch out. One put option hero zero or whoever holding they can wait till 17,597 to 17,548 levels to close because if it is goes like that that put option will give you ample amount of results as well. But at the same time, the weekly other pending targets which we have around 210 points in the positive 18,024, and then a lower side which is 885, which is 16,927 as well. So keep it remember because we are focusing those two initially, but still we have wide ranges on 200 on the positive, 80, 85 on the negative as well. And as per the support and resistance level, the volatile level 1, anything above which is 0.10%, 17.81 negative, 17,795.79 above anything if it is in the bullish zone. So one call option you can buy as a hero zero if pre-opening is above this level means, and pre-opening is below this level, volatile level 2 which is 0.70%, 124.70 and 17,688.90. Anything below this level pre-opening means you can buy one put option as a hero zero because Nifty is in the bearish zone. So pre-opening is anything below this level means you can buy one put option as a hero zero, and anything in between pre-opening volatile level 1 and volatile level 2 then then you need to buy combinations. So anything in between those two levels pre-opening means we need to go for a hedging method. And the volatile stop loss for the bearish and volatile stop loss for the bullish. So then those two levels. So volatile stop loss for the bearish from this particular level plus 10 points. If it is not breaking, Nifty will fall down heavily. And volatile stop loss for the bullish this particular level minus 10 points. If it is not breaking, Nifty will go bullish. These are all the volatile stop loss for the bearish and bullish. And the next level, which is pivot level, anything below the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go down. So you can keep plus 10 points as a stop loss from that level high. And if anything not breaking minus 10 points from the same level, Nifty will go bullish. So because anything above the pivot level, Nifty will try to recover. So those are all the basic rules you need to remember. And the other basic rule, which is support level 1 and resistance level 1. So as per support level 1 rule, if Nifty is not able to break this particular level minus 10 points, then Nifty has potential to recover towards the bullish. And resistance level 1 rule, anything Nifty is not breaking plus 10 points, then Nifty is having potential to fall down heavily. So these are all the support and resistance level 1 rule. But any levels you can keep this minus 10 points stop loss for the buying and plus 10 points stop loss for the selling. You can apply if Nifty is matching perfectly with this range, minus 3 point perfect range and plus 3 point perfect range. So any level, any given level, you can buy those levels as well. And the par value, which shows par value, anything above this par value, she will try to go towards to the high, which is 18,056. But we have two volatile indicators. Normally volatile indicators, we used to trade positive target 2 to negative target 2, which means 52 points around 17,866 to negative 395, which is 17,418. Up to these levels, Nifty has potential to trade as per the volatile rule. So we can go for a one put option because the put option side which is heavier. But still, if pre-opening is in the volatile zone, you must have to go with the hedging method because it still has potential to go bullish towards to 18,000 range because we have one pending target. Positive is at 210. So if pre-opening is in between volatile level 1 and volatile level 2, if in between the levels, if it is pre-opening opens means you can go for hedging method or 10.00 is also fine. On the other rule, which shows that anything above 17,698, which is Nifty will try to recover and might close in the flat positive or even complete flat range or even small positive around 45, 60, 30, something like that. But if anything below Nifty 17,582, then Nifty is in control of the bearish, so it might go heavily as well. But the pre-opening is well below this particular 17,713, then it might go bearish side. If it is above this level means Nifty will try to recover. That is what this particular average is indicating. But still we need to track this particular level because we don't have much records as per this particular average level. We are focusing only for the record purpose. And the key level which we need to track is 17,769. So minus 43 points is there. So this is going to be a key level. So we need to watch out the key level. If Nifty is trading below the key level, Nifty will try to close in the negative. And if Nifty is trading above the key level, Nifty will try to close in the positive. So we need to watch out those levels as well. And the flat flat closing, expected closing number which shows 17,763, which is 50 points, to 17,776 minus 37 points, so minus 52 minus 37 range is there. And flat bullish is showing 17,815 to 17,827, which is 1 point to 13 point in the positive. It is completely flat. And mid bullish is showing 17,826 to 17,839, which is 12 point to 25 points. That is also kind of a flat finish, so which shows that Nifty is clearly on the bearish side, because even the flat bullish and mid bullish was not having big numbers. So even the flat side also showing in the negative, so which means Nifty is in the little bearish scenario. And the bullish indications are showing 17,858 to 17,876, which is 45 points in the positive to 62 points. And extreme bearish is showing 17,951 to 17,974, which is 138 point to 160 points in the positive. And flat bearish is showing 17,689 to 17,701, which is 124 points in the negative to 112 points in the negative. And mid bearish is showing 17,636 to 17,648, which is 177 to 165 in the negative. And the bearish is showing around 17,580 to 17,608, which is 233 point to 205 points in the negative. So we can still focusing on this particular level, bearish level. Why? Because we have that uh, pending target in hand. So if it is closing like that, then we can able to make some big money. So small, 110 point put option, keep it in hand. Whether it is going to give success or failure, that is immaterial, but we can hold this target. If it is hits, means this 10 will go to unexpected profit size. So one small put option you can buy and wait for 17,597 to 17,548 level. Whether it is going to give success or failure, we will try to attempt. And because if it is goes towards to various level and closing this particular level, means then we can able to make some good money. And the extreme bearish is showing 17,472 to 17,511, which is 341 to 301 in the negative. So it is clearly showing big negative is still possible, but if we, for example, I'll show you how the data is going to work. As of now, the exchange Nifty is showing kind of a negative pre-opening is possible around 38 point, sorry, that is 34 points. So 34.50 in the HFD is indicating that pre-opening is going to be in the flat kind of a negative. And we have the records which shows it is clearly the same kind of pre-opening was recorded in the previous data as well. So it's possible to close, but we may not know whether it is going to open the same number or it might differs as well. It might open in the positive also, we may not know at this point of time, but the past records showing like that. So if it is opening like that, how we need to trade? For example, if the opening is somewhere around 36 35 30 points, if it is opens and not able to break above this level. For example, I'm just giving one simple example. If Nifty is not breaking above that level and started to fall down towards to the negative side, which means around the 80% target, which is today also we have 80% target in the level of 1.15%, around 200 points. So up to that level, if Nifty is trading, this is the first target we are trying to focus. So if the expected closing number which shows 17,704, so 17,704 is the expected closing number as per this high and low. If it is high 17,779, then low is 17,608, means this is going to be the expected closing. So 17,704 we need to remember. So 17704. So 17704 means it is going to be in the flat bearish. So Nifty is aligning this particular level 17701 to 17689. So but if it is breaking further low, because then what happens is this particular level, this particular flat bearish, then it will change from there to mid bearish. So it will go next step down. If Nifty is breaking further low down next, again and again, means it will go towards to this. This is how it works. So how the scenario is going to be, if Nifty is breaking multiple times towards to 17589, from here to it is not much bigger number. It is showing that we have the pending target, which is 17597. So it is not going to be a big number, but still it might go towards to the level of 544 level, which is the next target 17548. So if it is breaking multiple times from 608 80% target towards to the lower side, means Nifty will try to close somewhere in the range of bearish 17580 level. That is what this particular average is also showing 17577. So which means 17580 range level. So watch out. uh, this is an example only I'm giving, but if it is goes towards the bullish, this might change. I'm talking about the overall average. Nifty is not breaking the high and falls down towards to the 80% target initially if it is closing, then after that later if it is closing, breaking one by one towards to the all pending two targets. If it is closing, means that is going to be the closing number. This is the one example. It might change if Nifty is open somewhere in the same 30 30 minus, and then go towards to positive side initially, the fake up, and then after that from there it is falling down towards to the negative side, around 1.1 80% target. From there around 40 points in the positive towards to this particular level, means it will change around 17739. So 17739 means it is there is no number 17739. So but still we can check here 17739, which is in between those two numbers. So we need to watch out where the pre-opening, where the high is going to keep, and where is going to be the key level. According to that we need to play. This is the scenario. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. One put option, always keep it in hand. That is going to fail or give success. If it is gives success, it will be enormous. And let's go to the summary. This is a summary. We have 80% target in the negative side once again, which is 17,608 level. So 200 points negative is their potential to go if pre-opening is in the negative. But if low is matching, then it might fail as well, like what we saw on Wednesday. So, but still you can bet small 10 points put option as a hero zero in hand for this particular, focusing on these targets as well as the pending target to on the negative side. And we have wide range on the positive average as well as negative average. 236 on the negative average, positive average 151, which both together around 385 points above. And as per CPR, which shows that it is going to be bullish, but the volatile range we have positive 52 to negative side 395. That is the reason we are keeping one put option as a hero zero. But the conclusion, which once again we need to go for a hedging method because of the two volatile indicators. This points gap between 200 to 150 also is fine, because normally 150 points gap, if you are buying, means it will be easy to get some good profit. And why I'm saying, I have specifically these combinations in our software. The software is booked 800 rupees profit. The range is between 150 points as well. So if you want to join with our, then you can get this software as well. There are some charges for that. If you want to join, you can WhatsApp me in the number, in this particular number. You can WhatsApp me so that I'll let you know the details. And let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.